Looking for an HDMI cable that delivers crystal clear video and audio over long distances without compromise? The Luxe Series 153 active high-speed HDMI cable is built to handle exactly that, combining safety, durability, and premium performance into one sleek package. What sets this cable apart? First, it meets the CL3 fire safety standard, meaning its flame-retardant jacket is approved for in-wall installation in residential buildings. That's peace of mind for anyone running cables through walls or ceilings. Plus, it supports high dynamic range video formats like HDR10 and Dolby Vision, so your visuals stay vibrant and lifelike. On the audio side, it handles up to 32 channels with ARC support, creating a truly immersive sound environment for movies, games, or music. But the real magic happens inside. The active chipset inside this cable individually regenerates and balances the three video signal elements. This technology allows it to carry high-speed HDMI signals over longer distances than typical passive cables, without needing thicker, bulkier wires. You get a thinner, more manageable cable that doesn't sacrifice signal quality or speed. Durability is another big win here. The cable's plastic jacket is wrapped in a braided nylon sheath that resists nicks, cuts, and everyday wear. This keeps the cable flexible yet tough enough to withstand heavy use. On top of that, zinc alloy connectors not only boost durability but also protect against electromagnetic and radio frequency interference. That means your signal stays clean and stable, even in busy electronic environments. Whether you're setting up a home theater, running video surveillance, or managing commercial video displays, this cable is engineered to perform. Its rugged construction and advanced technology ensure it won't fail under pressure, giving you reliable connections every time. A user from the United States shared their experience. They use this cable for mobile setups connecting a laptop to displays over 25 feet away. While the cable is heavier than thinner options, the durability and consistent performance make the extra care in coiling it worthwhile. It's a solid investment if you want a cable that lasts and delivers. If you're ready to upgrade your setup with an HDMI cable that combines safety, signal integrity, and durability, the Luxe Series 153 active high-speed HDMI cable is worth a look. Its blend of active signal boosting and premium materials means you get what matters most: dependable, high-quality connections that stand the test of time. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free long-distance HDMI connections with superior video and audio quality.